Okay, so in the last time I taught you how to use a pattern background. Now I'll teach you how to use an abstract background. Abstract background is a background that is abstract, that doesn't really contain any useful pattern. Like this is rubbish, so it's abstract. You can't pick out what but there's a way to use it. So it's not an image, it's just abstract. So you just drag it and drop it here, and then once you do that, you'll expand it at the edges. Make sure here is checked so that you can expand it by the side. You don't want to expand it without checking this place because it will be distorted. So to use abstract background, so that your text will come out, you will fade. You will go to layers. Where's my layers? There's no layers here, so I'll go to Windows, I'll click layers, so my layers is out. I'll go to fill, I'll reduce the abstract background so that I can use my text. But actually, before I use my text, I want to specify the color of the text. Let me put it back to 100. You look here, this is where you choose the color of whatever you want to do. So let's say I pick this foreground color, it brings this out. Let's say I pick this deep color on the you see the color picker. I pick the deep color, I click OK, so you see that the foreground has changed to deep. So now I can come to this the layer and then reduce it to something like 43, and then go to my text and then click text, and then let's say we want to name it Grace Unlimited. Let's say that's the Bible study theme this week, Grace Unlimited. So you can just put it Grace Unlimited, and then I've taught you how to create rectangle. You go to your rectangle tool, you create a rectangle, it brings out the property of the rectangle. You change the color of the rectangle to red, and then maybe you check this place, and then you maybe make this a bit curved, and then you pick your text tool again, and then write theme. After you write the theme, and then you go to your character tool, and then you reduce it. You can see as I'm reducing it, I've talked to you that. Then drag it and drop it here, and then I change the color. Okay, so the theme is Grace Unlimited. Let's say the date is Saturday 22nd July. Let's say that's the date, so you can just put it on the same color as your Grace Unlimited. So you can just say Saturday 22nd July. You can put it here, and then you can do venue, put church auditorium. You can see that our flyer is just standing without stressing ourselves. Venue, church auditorium, venue, church auditorium. So now this is a flyer. Let's see, if you want to put time, you can come here, you can create a new text, put time 3 p.m. p.m. You can put that time here. No, let's put it here, 3 p.m. So what's the name of the church? Let's say it's the Glory House Church. If I please Ctrl A, I select everything and I reduce the line height here. I've taught you that there's nothing we are doing here that I've not taught you. The Glory House Church. So if you can see all my then I pick a rectangle tool, maybe I underline the church here. Underline the church here. You can see that all my things are just neatly arranged. I want you to do this and send it to me using this background. You see, as I faded it and made it, you can reduce it more, because the less noisy the background is, the more your text come out and the more your design looks professional, and then you're good to go.